Keep feeding me.
Oh, dude, this is awesome. Alright, come here, birdie. Woo! Oh! Oh, look at the brown one. Oh, midair. Matrix shit. Look at this
They're
matrix.
catching chips in midair.
Chips in midair. Alright, who wants it the most? Who wants it? Midair. Are you getting a good shot at that?
I'm getting the birds, I'm not really getting the midair. Oh, I got that one.
If you do it close enough, you can see.
I got one of them.
I'll try to make one come in the middle.
Oh, they're starting to get close.
Dude, that one caught two little pieces at once.
They're hungry.
I love that. It's like, hey! Woo! Dude, I didn't want to get my fingers bit off.
I don't think he's interested in your fingers.
I know, but they're flying in midair and we're big humans, you know? They're gonna just chomp and go.